Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into an exciting case study on Verloop.io, a company that has revolutionized customer support using conventional AI. In this video, I'm going to take you through Verloop's journey from its inception to how it is scaled up and made waves in the customer service industry. Stick around till the end to learn about their key strategies, challenges, and success factors that you can apply to your own business or startup journey. Let's start with the visionary behind Verloop, Gaurav Singh. He has always been passionate about entrepreneurship, starting as early as his high school days, where he was already taking up coding assignments. His journey to founding Verloop began during his time at Tata Consultancy Services (TCS), where he identified a major problem in customer support centers. While it wasn't part of his role, Gaurav noticed how slow and inefficient contact centers were. It got him thinking about solutions, and eventually, this problem led to the idea of Verloop, an automated customer support tool provided by conventional AI. Gaurav's story is a testament to how curiosity and problem solving can lead to groundbreaking ideas. Before Verloop, customer support was a tedious process. Users either had to wait in long call queues or send emails and wait days for a response. Gaurav realized that there are many customer queries didn't even need human intervention and could be handled through automation. So he decided to create a tool that could automate these routine support queries using AI. This would improve response time and ensure customer satisfaction. Initially, Verloop started as B2C virtual assistant to help with day-to-day tasks, but Gaurav quickly pivoted to B2B or business to business when he realized that customer support was a major pain point for businesses. In 2015, he and his team began working on a chatbot specifically designed for automating customer support across platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. Verloop's primary mission was to help businesses automate their support and engagement at scale. They made it possible for brands to provide 24/7 support, shorten response time, and often a seamless customer experience. So, what exactly is conversational AI? It is essentially a set of technologies that enable human like interactions between computer and users. By 2020, the chatbot market was valued at over $17 billion, with projections of rapid growth to 102 billion by 2026. This growth highlights just how important conversational AI has become in today's business landscape. Verloop capitalized on this trend by building chatbots that could not only provide instant responses but also engage customers in their preferred language, giving them personalized experience. Verloop was very strategic in their approach to market segmentation. They targeted industries with large data volumes, and quick go to market seeds, such as e commerce, edutech, and logistics. These industries were perfect for their AI driven solution because they generated huge amounts of data, which helped the AI learn and improve over time. They use account based marketing to target the top 50 companies in each region. One of their early adopters was Nykaa, a major e commerce beauty platform in India. Verloop's technology helped Nykaa manage lakhs of customer queries every day. Verloop's marketing strategy was innovative and agile. They didn't just cast a wide net, instead, they used laser focused targeting to catch the right customers. One key lesson was that marketing requires relentless experimentation. They tested various campaigns from webinars to retargeting ads on platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Quora. Verloop also adapted to different regions, understanding that what worked in one market might not work in another. For instance, paid search worked best in Southeast Asia, while LinkedIn content marketing were more effective in India and Europe. One of the critical factors in Verloop's success story was their focus on brand building. They knew early on the building trust and familiarity with their audience was more crucial for long term success. By creating a consistent brand presence, they were able to shorten their sales cycle and improve conversion rates. As of 2021, Verloop has invested $2.5 million into developing advanced bots that can handle over 20 languages. Their goal is to expand globally, particularly in Europe and the US. Verloop has already made it on LinkedIn's top startup list, which is a major recognition for their success and growth. Their story is a powerful example of how understanding your market using technology to solve real world problems and experimenting with marketing can lead to exponential growth. And there you have it. The Verloop case study is not just about the rise of a success tech company, but it is also packed with valuable lessons for anyone looking to innovate in customer support or any other industry. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to share it for more case study breakdowns. Yeah, that was it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.